Cybersecurity is more important now than ever. As technology evolves, so do the threats that target our devices, data, and privacy. In today's video, we'll break down the 8 most common cybersecurity threats with real-world examples. Let's dive in. First on our list is malware, short for malicious software. Malware can include a variety of harmful programs like viruses, worms, trojans, ransomware, and spyware. One recent malware incident involved the Emotet Trojan, which re-emerged in 2023 targeting businesses worldwide. This malware spread through phishing emails and was designed to steal sensitive data and install other malicious software onto the victim's systems. Next, we have phishing, a type of attack that tricks users into revealing sensitive information by pretending to be a trustworthy entity. In 2022, the Twilio data breach was a result of a sophisticated phishing attack. Attackers impersonated IT departments, tricking employees into sharing their login credentials. As a result, attackers accessed customer data for over 150 organizations. Number 3 is the man-in-the-middle, or MITM, attack. This type of attack occurs when an attacker secretly intercepts and relays messages between two parties who believe they are communicating directly. In 2021, a MITM attack targeted Microsoft's 365 email services, intercepting email messages between business partners to insert fake invoices, leading to significant financial losses. Threat number 4 is the denial of service, or DOS, and distributed denial of service, or DDoS, attack. These attacks overwhelm a server or network with traffic, rendering it unusable. For instance, in 2022, the New Zealand Stock Exchange experienced a series of DDoS attacks that disrupted trading for several days. This led to severe financial and operational setbacks, highlighting the power of such attacks to bring critical services to a halt. Threat number 5 is SQL injection. This attack targets a website's database by inserting malicious SQL code into input fields. For example, in 2021, the Panasonic data breach was caused by an SQL injection vulnerability. Attackers gained access to the internal network and were able to exfiltrate sensitive employee data and internal documents. Next is cross-site scripting, or XSS. In an XSS attack, an attacker injects malicious scripts into trusted websites, which then execute in the user's browser. For example, in 2022, a major XSS vulnerability in WordPress was discovered that affected millions of websites. If exploited, it allowed attackers to take control of websites and execute malicious scripts. Threat 7 is zero-day exploits. These are attacks that take advantage of a newly discovered vulnerability before a fix is available. For example, in 2023, the MoveIt transfer software suffered a zero-day attack that affected thousands of organizations globally. The vulnerability allowed attackers to steal data from corporate and government systems before the flaw could be patched. Lastly, we have insider threats. This type of attack comes from employees or partners who misuse their access to the organization's systems. For example, in 2023, the Tesla Insider incident involved an employee leaking sensitive production data to third parties. Tesla had to take legal action to prevent further data exposure. To recap, these are the 8 most common cybersecurity threats: malware, phishing, man-in-the-middle attacks, denial of service and distributed denial of service attacks, SQL injection, cross-site scripting, zero-day exploits, and insider threats. Knowing these threats and their real-world impact is crucial for staying vigilant and protecting your systems. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cybersecurity content. And remember, stay safe, stay secure.